Also, shouts out to Scott the Waz and Trin Level. I'm gonna put them in the description box below. You should follow them if you like watching teen movies and videos about video games and video games in general. But anyways, here's how you upload one. So, I'm gonna put it up, and I'm gonna say, what was this video? It's really hard doing this with my...
Okay. Will, do your shoes on and stuff? You're
Yep.
late.
Yeah.
Your gloves and your...
Yep.
Okay, we gotta go.
Wait. Then you type in your description. Type this in. And then you say, you can put it in a playlist if you want. Say, yes, it's made for kids. More options. I'm gonna just put one in.
You're going to an obedience class. Okay, well,
Chips.
you're gonna be late. It's 4:50.
And then use
What are you doing?
my languages.
Wilson, what are you doing?
English.
I'm going to get her in the car.
Recording date.
What are you doing?
Standard YouTube license. Kind of
What?
thing. So you click next. Then you make it public. And then
What are you doing?
publish.